3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with a 1-car garage, covered front porch, laminate vinyl plank flooring, and granite countertops inside. It's located in the Dawsons Park neighborhood in Lexington, convenient to I-20, Lake Murray, and Lexington 1 schools. So we're out front. It's a newer construction home. You have some nice details out front, like the carriage-style garage door on the 1-car garage, and some nice lighting outside as well. You have a covered front porch here, nice front door with side lights and sort of a transom window above. Once we take a look inside, you'll notice the luxury vinyl plank hardwood look flooring starts here in the entry or the foyer and continues throughout the main level. The second level does have carpet. So you have a nice foyer here off of the front door and some nice spindle detailing on the stairs going up there. On the left side as you come in, you have a half bathroom, commode and pedestal sink in here. So very convenient for guests. And just to have a bathroom downstairs. You also have a coat closet here as well. And then on the right side, another storage closet that actually goes back pretty far beneath the stairwell. Actually, there's some more light for you if I didn't blind you. So here the living room, dining room, and kitchen are all sort of in an open floor plan design. You have living area here with the ceiling fan, sliding door out to the backyard. So out back, you have a patio off the back of the home. You do benefit from some neighbor fencing on the left side, and I believe some neighborhood fencing at the back. And then that is actually a second yard over there. This is sort of the yard you're looking at straight back. It belongs to this house. In the dining area here, and the bar seating. High bar, you have dark cabinets, some pendant lighting over that bar, granite countertops in here as well as stainless steel appliances. Apologize for that darkness. Also dishwasher, smooth top range, and built-in microwave, refrigerator to be installed. At the time of video, that will be stainless steel, I believe as well. Not sure the actual design, but that will be included for sure. A pantry also off the kitchen. And then access to the 1-car garage is right off the kitchen as well. It's a vehicle parked in there right now, so you can kind of get an idea of the space. It's sort of a mid-size or a small SUV. And then back inside, we'll take a look at the second level. So back through the foyer and up the stairs. So upstairs, off the landing here, you have a laundry closet. And then 2 bedrooms in addition to the master up here also. Here's one of those, has a closet at the back. And this one looks out towards the back of the property. And then also an attic pull down here in the hallway. To our left here is the master suite. So this one faces the front. You have a ceiling fan in here. Pretty nice sized room. On this side you have a nice sized walk-in closet. So you can see lots of hanging space and shelving in there. Ceiling fan in the master as well. And then you have the bathroom. That flooring from downstairs continues in the bathroom up here, as well as the granite countertops. You have double vanities on the sink here, and a nice size sort of walk-in shower with some seating in there. Another window in the bathroom, and then private commodes. You do have a door that closes that off, and also another linen closet in here. And then second full bathroom in the flooring and granite countertops. And then you have a tub and shower in this bath. And then last but not least, the third bedroom in the home also faces the rear. Pretty much same size closet. So that completes our tour of this home. And the address is 123 Dawsons Park Drive in Lexington. You can find out more information by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.